Hello guys, it's Taxon, and today I'm going to show you how to enable rounded corners or disable them in Microsoft Edge. Firstly, type in DESC, then the two dots, like that, and then slash, and then go to slash, then type in Microsoft rounded corners. Then you can say to enable or disable. It's a safe result right down here. Press it, then rounded corners should be gone. Oh here. Oh, we enable.